Assalamualaikum and welcome. Today, our group will present about Chapter 6 Three-Dimensional Geometrical Shapes. We will explain how to calculate surface area and volume of geometrical shapes. For prism, the net will become like this, and the surface area formula is 2 times area of triangle plus 3 times area of rectangles. For the volume area of cross-section, that is this triangle or this triangle between these two lines, if you can choose, times height. For the height is this to this. Okay, so for pyramid, the net will become like star area of base times plus 4 plus area of triangle. For surface area, for volume, 1 over 3 times area of base times height. The height is like this line. So for example, the question asks you how to calculate surface area. So don't forget the formula, and we use it. Area of base is 8 times 8, and then plus 4 times area of triangle. So area of triangle is 1 over 2 times 8 times 5, where we get 64 plus 80. And the final answer, we got 144 cm square. For the next questions, for prism, don't forget the formulas. So 2 times area of triangle, 1 over 2 times 4 times 6, and then the total of rectangles, so 6 times 7 plus 2 times 5, so we have 7. So if you wonder how we got 5, is 3 square plus 4 square, and we got 25, and 25 square root of 25 is 5 cm, so we got width of here for 5 cm. So we need to calculate these two rectangles, so we get there, and then we get 24 plus 42 plus 70, and the final answer is 136 cm square. If the question asks you to calculate volume of pyramid, don't forget the formula. So 1 over 3 times area of base, 4 times 4 times height. Height is 3 cm, we will get final answer 16. If the question asks you to calculate prism, don't forget the formula. Area of cross sections times height. But in this question, they don't show you the height of triangles, so we need to find it by 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 9, and then we square root 9, we get 3. So 1 over 2 times 6 times 3 times 12. So we got the final answer is 144 cm cube. So that's all from me.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to present about cylinder. The formula for the surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. R mewakili radius, H mewakili height. Meanwhile, for the formula of volume is pi r square h. Okay, this is how to count the surface area of a cylinder. First, we enter the formula. As you can see, this is the answer. Okay, now we move on to the volume. Okay, this is how you count the surface area and the volume. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain about how to calculate the surface area of a cone and the volume of a cone. To calculate the surface area of a cone, first we need to know the formula. So the formula here is pi r squared plus pi rs. They don't give us the radius, so we need to find it ourselves. To find radius, we need to use the Pythagoras theorem technique. So it's square root 5 square minus 4 square. So we got 3 cm. So pi, that is 22 over 7 times 3 square, and then put it in a bracket, plus 22 over 7 times 3 times 5, and then put it in a bracket. So we're gonna got 28.29 plus 47.14. So add them together and we got 75.43 cm square. So we're gonna move to the next thing. So to find the volume of a cone, first, the formula is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So 1 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 7 square, put it in a bracket, and then times 12. So we're gonna got 616.616 cm cube. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Nazri Al-Bakish bin Ahmad Rozaini, and today I will be teaching you how to calculate the surface area of a sphere and how to calculate the volume of a sphere. Let's move on. Okay, here we go. So the first thing you need to know about the surface area of sphere is the main thing is the formula. So the formula is always gonna be 4 times pi times radius square. So the pi will always be using, we will always be using 22 over 7. So let's review the first question. Alright, the first question and the only question we will be reviewing. So the middle is the radius 14 cm. Just insert the formula to calculate the surface area of the sphere given below. So it's 4 times pi, which is 22 over 7 times 14 square. And pressing that on a calculator, it will give us the final answer, which is 2464 cm square. Alright, it's that easy, right? Let's move on to calculating the volume of a sphere. Okay, the first thing you need to actually know how to calculate the volume of a sphere is the formula. Formula given is always 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. Yeah, this time it's cubed. So just like the surface area, the pi we'll be using is always 22 over 7. But make sure this time the radius, we have to calculate it as cube, not square. Let's move on to the question and example. Okay, so this is the example of the question. The radius is given is 7 cm. So how to calculate the volume, you say? So just insert the formula given right there. It's 4 over 3 times 22 over 7, that's our pi, times 7 cubed, because the radius is 7, but make sure it's cubed. Calculating that all on a calculator, the final answer, it will be 1437.333 cm cubed. Now that's the final answer. Really, it's that simple. It's not complicated or anything. Anyway, that is all from me and the rest of the team. So I hope you enjoy math more. Bye.